Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that almost everyone is noticing on their phone. That small circle inside WhatsApp and Messenger. Yes, that's Meta AI. Ian, people keep asking, can we remove it? The truth is simple. You cannot completely remove Meta AI, but you can make it almost blind, deaf, and inactive. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to limit what Meta AI can see, access, and learn from you on both WhatsApp and Messenger. But don't skip a single second, or you won't be able to control Meta AI properly. Now let's start. First, we block visual access. Open WhatsApp, tap the three dots, go to Settings. Now open Chats. Find Media Visibility and turn it off. Now your photos and videos will stay inside WhatsApp. They will not go to your gallery, and this cuts off a major data source. Now we protect your chat history. Scroll down to Chats, tap Chat Backup. Turn on end-to-end encrypted backup. Now here, create a strong password and save it somewhere safe. Without it, you cannot recover your chats. Now retype your password. Now turn off include videos. Videos carry extra hidden data. So now your backup is much more secure. Now let's deal with Meta AI directly. If you see Meta AI chat, press and hold it. You can delete it or archive it. It depends on you. Now open Meta AI chat and type /reset-AI and send it. This will erase its memory about you. Now tap its name at the top, go to Notifications, turn on Mute, and select Always. Now it will stay silent. Now we control what your app access. Press and hold WhatsApp, tap App Info, go to Permissions, set location to ask every time. Then review everything: microphone, camera, nearby devices, call logs, SMS. Turn off anything you don't really need. Now open Messenger. Search for Meta AI Chat. In the chat, type /reset-AI and send it. This will clear its memory. Now tap on its name, find Mute, and select until I change it. Now it will stop interrupting you. Now the most important part of this video. Let's block Meta tracking across all apps. Go back, tap these three lines, then tap Settings. Open Account Center. Go to your Information and Permissions. Here, open your activity of Meta Technologies. Scroll down and tap Manage Future Activity. And make sure it's disconnected. Now go back and tap Clear Previous Activity. Now tap Clear. This will delete all your past activities. This is one of the most powerful privacy settings because it stops Meta from connecting your activity across WhatsApp, Messenger, and other apps. Now let's restrict the app access. Press and hold Messenger icon, tap App Info, go to Permissions. Here, review every single permission. If you don't use Messenger at all, and it's generally recommended not to use Messenger because of its privacy concerns, so turn off everything. Personally, I keep every single permission off because I don't use Messenger for chats. And that's it. Meta AI is still there, but now it cannot see much, it cannot track much, and it cannot learn much from you. You are back in control. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.